Hey there, thanks for stopping by 8181 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious pilaf rice. Enjoy.
How to prepare rice pilaf. Add a tablespoon of oil, then add chopped garlic and ginger. Add 4 cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, four cloves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a bay leaf, chopped tomato, and mix well. Add frozen peas. Stir and cover on simmer for 5 minutes. Open the lid and add garam masala. Now add 1 cup of rice that's been soaked for half hour. Remember, 1 cup of rice equals 2 cups of water. Now turn the heat on high and stir. Add salt to taste. For those of you who don't know what garam masala is, it's a masala that will be available at any Indian food store. Now once the water starts bubbling, close with the lid and let it cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and what you get is delicious pilaf rice. Look at that, how amazing that is. Perfectly cooked rice, so flavorful, and the aroma is just wow. Now that I have dug into it, I can't wait to plate and eat it.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 8181 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.